Hi, I'm James Davey. In this short video, we're going to be looking at how to energize your singers. So the first thing that we're going to do is think about how we warm up ready for a rehearsal. And the first most important thing for warming up, I always think, is to get energized. We need to make sure that our brains are working really healthily so that we can learn new information. And the best thing you can do to get your brain working healthily is to make sure there is oxygen getting to it. And to get oxygen to the brain, we need to boost our circulation a little bit. We need to breathe deeply. We also, to help circulation, we need to make sure that we're relaxed, that all of our muscles aren't tensed up and slowing down the flow of blood around the body. So we're going to do a little bit of an energizing warm-up to begin with. So would you stand up, please? This warm-up is called the shakedown, okay? And it finishes with a very triumphant, rewarding team mantra of some sort. So for today, the team mantra is going to be funky chicken, okay? All right, so the way this works is we are going to shake our right hand, which is that side for you, our right hand 8 times and call out for each number as we shake. Our left hand 8 times, then our right foot 8 times, and then our left foot 8 times, then half it, 4 times each, then twice each, and then once, which gets very complicated, and then funky chicken at the end. All right? Okay? So this is going to get us all worked up. And the more energy you put into this, the more energized you'll feel at the other end. Here we go. Are you ready? So, calling out, starting with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. At 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1. Funky chicken! Fabulous.